Hello guys, going to make a video now. It's going to be about making a video about this King Legacy game. Going to level up. So I have my name is Lucy. If you want to add me, this this is it. Let's level up together. So now I'm clearly using magma. My 3 moves awaken. This, and this. Okay, let's go to the third tree. So guys, wait, it takes a kinda long time. Wait, guys, I'm going to move some sounds because it's too noisy. Wait, let's do this. Wait, let's do it. Let's do that. And let's go to the Forgotten Coliseum. So I'm currently using some tools. First, a sword. Second, slasher sword. And this is all my mobs and magma. That, and this is a flight ability. So, we're heading somewhere to level up. So, I'm going to show you my sword. Then, I'm going to tell me what to use for this. Pinigit ko dito. Tapos ko talaga to. So guys, sorry about that. That was just my annoying brother. He's really annoying, always bullying me though. But guys, I'm going to find the boss, but I can't. Wait a second. Wait, does it here? Is it here? Is it here? Here? Let's check here. Wait, let's go back here. Okay, here. So we go straight. Go straight here. Go get the left. Go this direction. We're going to level up. We're going to level up to 4,900. We're going to level. Guys, we're going to take the quest Abyssal Swordsman because on the other island I need to be 825, but there's a story. So let's stay here. Guys, I'm on mobile now. But on my other videos, I will be using the laptop. I'm just on mobile right now. Wait, I'm going to die. Going to die. Yeah. Going to die. So, guys, we're going to level up until 4,850 if you and hit the like and subscribe button under this and look at my swords for a sec. Wait, look at the swords. Tell me what you want here and what you trade in the comments because I can trade something here. Let's spin a few. Let's spin 10 just by 20. Okay. Oh, we got a control. Let's make a key with it. Let's make an iron key. And roll it again. I hope I get the epic one. Because I want the epic. Aww. Oh, dang it. Yes, I already have this. So, drop there. Let's go back here. Okay, it's taking a long time. Let's spawn here. Wait, guys. Sorry if the video is boring because I don't know what to do because I just started. I just started this before just started to be a YouTuber. Guys, let's play another game if you want. Let's play.
Okay, madam, pwede ka mag-check out ng 1 piece o kaya 2 hanggang 5 pieces na po. Okay, ayan po. Pwede ba tayo dyan magkama? Ayan po. Okay, ayan po, madam. Matibay po ito, madam.
What should we play?
Matibay po kaya ito. Okay, ayan po, madam. Okay, ayan po. Kahit i-aninit po ito i-pagas-pagas. Alam niyo, nasa friend ninyo. Napakatibay po, madam.
Let's play Grow Garden. Let's go to a private server.
Okay po, madam. Check out din na. Pwede ka mag-check out ng 1 piece, 2 piece, up to 5 pieces. Matibay po ito, madam.
Okay.
Check out din na ito,
Let's
madam.
join a private server. Let's see what in stock.
Check out din na po ito, madam.
Oh my god.
Tawag po dito sa friend ninyo. Sa best friend mo.
I'm sorry if my English not good because because I'm trying to learn English. I'm not fluent in English. Sorry guys. Look this guys. Look. I have a giant watermelon. And look at this. Giant elephant ears. And football. And this. See art and gear. This gear. Let's go to gear. Okay. Let's buy this. Oh, some basic sprinklers. Oh, some advanced too. Wait, advanced. Oh, advanced going to love.
Okay, dito. Ayan po sa ating basket number natin.
Oh, I'm going to love. We got some. Need a strawberry seed. Wait, hold on. Let's see what he eggs.
Sino ba to?
Wait, with that. I accidentally placed something else.
Okay, dito.
Comment comment below what you want me to play next. Because I don't know.
Okay po, sir.
Tell me what to play next.
Hindi ka na manghihina.
I'm going to make a video again. Tell me in the comments what you want me to make the video about, because I don't have any video ideas. Tell me what to play next. Understand? Understand me? And like in 3 weeks, I will be making a face reveal. You know, because the face reveal, but the face reveal is kinda embarrassing. Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me, okay? Don't laugh at me. And guys, you have something to try to do. Wait, let me take it.
Meron ka ba lang kung gusto niyo po lang payong na wala siyang cover ni ayaw nito?
And get my this one.
Okay,
You have something to try to do. Baby, a moon cat, and another moon cat. Wait, did you just stop? Let me see. Okay, 3, 2, 1, boom. Nothing on stop. Let's check.
And then,
This
sa labas po ay meron po sa mga partner na
oh shit.
okay, yan po matutupi
The gear. Comment below what you want me to play next. Lumag the flying glass? So guys, let's go to my garden. Look at this, I have a massive dragon fruit tree, a massive beanstalk tree, a massive giant pine cone tree. It's amazing. I didn't even expect it. Look at this, a new fruit I have. It's from the admin gave me. It's from the update. So guys, let's play another game if you like. Okay, like 3 more minutes. Let's play another game. Because I'm ending this because I need to do something after this video. Oh, because I'll be trading you this. What you want for it? What's this? I have paper in my inventory. Let me do that. I'm going to give it from one of you guys. In 3 minutes, I'll be going. I will be playing. Okay, I'm getting bored. Sorry. I want to play another game. I just wish we were. So, let's play. What should we play? Comment down below what you want me to play next. Let's do this, guys. So, I have 1 trillion. I didn't expect 1 trillion though. Oh, bear, vitamin. Let's fly. And Wait, I reached 5 billion. Yeah, I reached 5 billion. Guys, I reached 5 billion. Yeah. Guys, should we rebirth? Should we do it? Should we do it? I'll be checking the comments. But I'm going to make everyone. I'm going to make going to make this private. Don't want to anybody go to mine. Let's get to 10 trillion and we'll be getting another game. Shall we? Because I want to play another games. But in 2 weeks, I'll be wait, what's that again? I'll be revealing my age. I will reveal my age in 2 weeks. And in 3 weeks, I'll be face revealing. Oh, I got 11 trillion. Let's buy some flowers. Wait, let's make the 10.
Okay, yan po. Meron kayo 4 na variation yan na pwede po mag-pili. Okay, check out na natin ito, madam.
Oh, we're getting calculators out. Let's spin, guys. I don't have Robux. I'm broke. Oh, money. Okay, let's play another game. I'll be ending the video right now. Sorry, don't have anything to play, but I will be making a video next. I don't know when, but smash that subscribe button, smash that like button to help me. Alright, guys. So let's stop.